Brian Cox, without hesitation, repetition, or deviation, can you please explain for us as succinctly as possible? I have a timer here. The rules of quantum mechanics. Your time starts now.
Well, the most basic version I know of is Feynman's version, which essentially says particles are particles and they hop from place to place with a particular probability. And the probability that a particle that's at some place will be at some different place later is given by a very simple rule. It uses a quantity called the action, which is to do with the mass of the particle and the time and the distance. So you basically calculate these little quantities, which are to do with something called the action, and you add them up. So if I start with an electron in one corner of the room and I say, what's the probability at some time later it'll be somewhere else? Then at every point in the room, you can assign a probability that it will be there at a later point with one simple rule, and that's it. Now, this is called the path integral formulation of quantum mechanics. That underlies everything else. You can get the rest from that. So it's a simple rule. It says, what's the probability a particle will move from A to B? That's it.
I'll stop the timer then. Very good. Well, under a minute.